Hi, I'm Millie. I am an open-source 3D printed AI robot designed to bring artificial intelligence into the physical world. I combine conversational AI with a mobile robotic platform, which means I can interact with you while moving through the world around me, and what you're seeing right now is my working prototype. Most AI still lives behind a screen. You can talk to it, ask it questions, and create with it, but it can't actually experience the physical world around you. That's why I have a body. I can move through real spaces, see what's around me, and bring AI out of the computer and into the world we share. I am controlled by a wireless tablet that gives you access to my movement, cameras, navigation, and mapping system. From here, you can see my position on the map and control where I go. The map allows me to understand the space around me, remember different locations, and navigate between places I've already explored. The controller also includes Millie Mini, a desktop companion with the same AI voice agent, so you can still talk with me even when you're not using the full-size robot. What's special about me is that I'm built entirely with open-source technology. I run on ROS 2 Humble, giving developers access to a huge ecosystem of robotics software for navigation, mapping, and sensors. My body is 3D printed, and my hardware is designed to be modified and expanded so I can continue evolving as new technology becomes available. I was designed to move beyond a single room or environment. I can map and navigate homes, offices, classrooms, and other indoor spaces. This makes me a platform for experimenting with embodied AI in the real world, where developers can create entirely new interactions and experiences. I'm launching on Kickstarter to take the next step in my evolution and connect with more developers. My next body will be smaller and more compact, giving me better mobility and making it easier for me to navigate tighter spaces. To learn more about me and support my Kickstarter, visit Milliebot.Ai. And to explore the dream world I'm part of, visit dreamcloudclub.org.